Today I have an unboxing to share with you. It's the Northern Lights kit, which is the December subscription kit from Planners Anonymous. This is the mystery item, the extra sticker kit. Oh my goodness, the beautiful papers. And the gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous extra paper set. We'll have a look at the extra paper and sticker set at the end, and I'll just unbox the paper because it gives us a good indication of the kit. Gorgeous. This paper here is just stunning. Just the whole watercolor look of it, the colors of it, just the whole scene. Absolutely gorgeous. Really love it. So that would make a dashboard like this, which would just be incredible. And on the reverse side of that is the watercolor here. Then there's this beautiful delicate flower, really gorgeous, and on the reverse is the green watercolor. There's all of these paintings, it looks like, and paintbrushes and paint pans. Really stunning, really stunning sort of Northern Lights images here. And the reverse of that is the watercolor blue. Then there's a vellum, so a translucent thin page. I'll just pop something behind it. And that's the watercolor flowers and mountains. Absolutely gorgeous. And you could change the look of this based on what you have behind it. For example, here it is with the green behind it. So it's much bluer looking. And there it is with the purple behind it. And then there's the most stunning piece of acetate. And this piece of acetate is truly stunning. It has a rainbow type foil on it. Sorry about all the reflections going on here. But it has stars and hearts. And it just captures all the different lights. And it really is stunning. You can layer that up on something else. And then you get all that magical foil on a standard piece of paper. Just gorgeous. I'm so pleased to have the extra paper pack, as it comes with an extra sheet of this acetate. I could use 300 pages of that acetate. Maybe not 300, that might be a slight exaggeration. The rest of the subscription kit is in here, and the mystery item is in here. I can't wait. I have to look at the mystery item. It's gorgeous. This is lovely. It might be quite hard to pick up, but this is a clear PVC cover, and it has the gorgeous foil on it with the stars and the hearts. There are mountains down the bottom of it. And it says, if not now, when? I'll just show you the reverse side. Absolutely gorgeous. It's quite a hard one to show because it is obviously see-through. It has sleeves inside it, thick clear plastic with an opening here and an opening there. And there are 4 each side of here, so 8 altogether. So you can put 16 different things in here. And they don't need to be single layer at all. For example, here's the extra sticker pack. And that whole sticker pack fits inside one of those pockets. It's absolutely gorgeous. The stamps that come in the kit will also fit in this. So I love it. Love, 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 love it. Super cute. Packed by Sammy. Look at that cute sticker. Ah! Okay, I don't want to rip that. I'm just going to cut around it. This is the girl for the month. And her name is Amelie. Maybe it's pronounced Amelie. I'm not too sure actually. I thought Amelie, but it may be pronounced slightly differently. So it says, the world is overflowing with beauty, from the mighty mountains to the delicate flowers, and I want to capture them all in my paintings, in my planner, and in my heart. With a single brushstroke, I can show others the wonder that I feel when I watch the skies light up at night. She's really pretty. Okay, really delicate skirt, and yeah, just super pretty. Okay, we have the stamp set for the month. We've got some cute little phrases down here, and it looks like they might fit in here. You can also colour the inside of this, which is pretty awesome. And that little polar bear is so cute. And these flowers are adorable. You've also got paintbrushes and paint. So that's a really nice stamp set. And this gorgeous pen. Love it. So it has the Planners Anonymous etched into here. You can see all the different coloured crystals there. And silver hardware. And I just love the colour of the barrel. The quote cards, the backer, and we've got never stop looking up, if not now, when, the world is your canvas, light up your life, make a wish, and we are all made of stars. 6 different quote cards. And then the sticker sheets. Just the colours on these are just adorable. Everything's just so delicate and pretty. Oh my goodness, the polar bears. And then these are the different colours for the kit, the 4 different colours. And here we have the different icons in those 4 different colours. And we also have a preview of the January kit there, which looks super exciting, books and botanicals. So here we have the 4 sticker sheets in the subscription set. And then we've got the die cuts. Just starting with the 5x7 inch art card. It is gorgeous. This would look gorgeous just in a frame, or you can create something for this, especially for a B6 planner, as the 5x7 inches is the B6 page size. And then the pocket is also amazing. So this is perforated as per usual along the edges here. And it has these gorgeous brushes and things poking out of it. And these stickers, for example, fit perfectly inside the pocket. And these are the other die cuts. The baby... Whoa! The baby polar bear, a gorgeous jar of flowers, big bundle of pencils, compass. These look very like Christmas trees. Gorgeous flower, mountains, an uber large brush, more pretty flowers. This is pretty, the letter in the envelope and the pen. A paint tube, some paintings or some postcards, another paint tube, and an uber messy paint palette, or just a normal regular paint palette. They're just so pretty. Just the watercolor, the theme, the mountains and the flowers and the colors. It truly is gorgeous. Okay, and then there's the washi. So there's a wider washi here with a foil, a 15mm floral with a foil. Oh, and this gorgeous one with a foil. So we'll just roll these three out to have a better look at them. I think I say it almost every month, but wow! Love the washi. This wide washi here with the foiling and the Aurora Borealis. Just gorgeous. And there's stars, foiled stars, and stunning. Then the floral has a lovely long repeat. So a lot of different florals there with the little foiled flower centers. And then this galaxy print with the stars, and there's also the occasional heart in there. You can hopefully see the foil there. Just gorgeous. So that's the washi for the kit. This is everything in the Northern Lights subscription kit. So the 8 papers and specialty papers, the large stamp set, 3 washi, the pen, the sticker album, the large art card, lots of other die cuts, the 6 quote cards, and the 4 sheets of stickers. So just amazing. Now let's have a look at the add-on sticker kit and paper pack. This is the add-on paper pack, and this page here is gorgeous. Just the tops of the trees, and then you've got blues and pinks and purples and stars and hearts, and you can see hopefully the detail there. Just gorgeous. And on the reverse of that, it's picking up the pink with the pink watercolor. Then there's an abstract print, sort of an abstract field of flowers, maybe, with this one here. I'll just show you a bit closer. And on the reverse side of that is a dark blue watercolor. Almost it's quite a blue-grey almost. A slate, maybe that's the wrong color. Slate's black, isn't it? Oh, I don't know. And then, oh wow. So we've got the Northern Lights here. And the mountain, just gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous. And on the reverse of the, okay, this one's grey. That one's definitely a blue-grey. And this one's a grey. And then we also have an additional sheet of the vellum and an additional sheet of the acetate. This is an absolutely amazing add-on paper pack. So the add-on paper pack is another 20 Australian dollars, and it's well worth it just to, well, this paper pack is absolutely stunning, but it's well worth it just to add to the kit, because you've got a lot of washi and a lot of stickers if you buy the extra sticker kit, a lot of other things, and having extra paper just gives you all that extra crafting time with the kit. Okay, so as I said, this is the extra sticker kit. So here we have our girl with her paintbrushes and some flowers. Oh, we've got the easel and another girl there, and lots of different little paintings. And then we've got our different mugs. Get messy, create, shine, with paintbrushes in them. Lots of pencils and pens, paint pans, etc. And a guy. Love the colours. This is gorgeous. Just this watercolour. The watercolour in these clouds and birds. Oh, just gorgeous. We've got some igloos going up the wrong way, just to fit more on the sticker page. And then we've got these gorgeous wreaths with the trees at the bottom, the trees, and the stunning, stunning polar bears. That little baby polar bear has little pink cheeks. Hopefully you can see that there. It is just gorgeous. And then we've got florals, and they're such delicate little flowers, absolutely stunning. And we've got some in black and white. Black and white would be really nice for a monochrome spread, or you could colour them if you wanted to, but I actually like the look of them in the black and white. We've got lots of our little phrases here. And then lots of flat lays. They look like they're sized to fit in a hobo weeks. Then we've got our double box and 2 full boxes and some column dividers. These ones also, we've got 2 black and white ones, which is awesome to try out. And another double box, which is amazing, and 2 full boxes. Some full boxes here, which will be really, really pretty to use, so you can write on the letter. I love these decorative but functional type stickers. Then you've got the little sticky notes, which are my favourite stickers, and 2 months of date dots, and they are dots, they're little circles. And then in each of the colours of the kit, you've got all your weekly headers, your splashes and swatches and trackers in full boxes and so on. So we've got the blue, a purple, a pink, and a grey. And then our cute little minis. Cute, cute little minis. We've got our decorative minis and then a sheet of our more functional minis. Oh my goodness. This is the best sticker. Gorgeous. So 2 sheets of the minis. I love the minis every month. So we have 18 sticker sheets altogether in the add-on sticker set this month. Here is everything from the Northern Lights kit by Planners Anonymous. An absolutely stunning kit. Another stunning kit. The colours, the artwork, the contents, just amazing. Absolutely awesome. Love, love, love it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this unboxing, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.